Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today we will guide you on using the CapCut Video Editor app. Step 1. Starting your project. Open CapCut and explore the intuitive user interface. Begin by tapping the New Project button. The plus icon, select your video files and customize clip durations as needed. Add more clips to the timeline to match your vision. Step 2. Crafting smooth transitions. Elevate your video with seamless transitions. Click the icon between two clips to access transition effects. Step 3. Enriching your audio. Tap the sound button to infuse your video with captivating audio. Choose from a variety of sound effects in the gallery. Perfectly align the soundtrack with your video and ensure copyright compliance with CapCut's built-in checker. Step 4. Adding text and narration. Enhance your story by adding text. Position it anywhere on the timeline. Experiment with fonts and styles, and even generate audio from your text for voiceovers. Spice it up with text transitions and animations. Step 5. Layering for creativity. Take your video to the next level by layering elements like images, stickers, or additional video clips. Let your creativity flow as you compose a unique masterpiece. With your project complete, it's time to share it with the world. Follow the app's export options. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.